Welcome! Today we'll learn how to solve equations with one variable. Solving an equation means finding the value of the variable that makes the equation true. Think of it like a balance scale. Whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other side to keep it balanced. Here are the basic steps to solve an equation. 1. Undo addition or subtraction by doing the opposite operation. 2. Undo multiplication or division by doing the opposite operation. 3. Keep simplifying until you get x equals something. Let's try an example: x plus 5 equals 12. The main principle is to isolate the variable x on one side of the equation. To solve this, we need to get rid of the 5 that's added to x. Since 5 is added to x, we need to subtract 5 from both sides of the equation to keep it balanced. When we subtract 5 from both sides, we get x plus 5 minus 5 equals 12 minus 5. Simplifying, we get x equals 7. Let's see another example. 2x equals 10. Since x is multiplied by 2, we need to divide both sides by 2. This gives us 2x divided by 2 equals 10 divided by 2. Simplifying, we get x equals 5. In summary, to solve an equation with one variable, first, use inverse operations to isolate the variable. For addition and subtraction, do the opposite operation on both sides. For multiplication and division, do the opposite operation on both sides. Always keep the equation balanced by doing the same thing to both sides. Remember, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other side. This way, you'll always find the correct value of x. Thanks for learning with us.